You know the rest. I'm sure you do. You say you do. But do you really know? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what you're doing? Do you know? Yeah? What is it? What are you going to do with the rest of your life when you don't know how to get to the rest of where you're going? If you can't get to the point of the total end of the where you gotta get to where you gotta go, where you gonna go, where you gotta get to get where you gotta get to where you gotta go to get it. Got it? Good. That's an old one. What do you think? New enough? Knew it? Knew it? Newer? Newest? Or not? You know? Fly high. Anyway, I don't know how the fuck I ended up here, but I think I'm on a different planet. Did you guys notice? Kind of fucked up, eh? Just kind of zoomed in and said, hey, how's it going? Holy moly, where did the time go? I'm just gonna get a smoke if you don't mind. I want to pollute my lung. If you got a problem with it, I'm talking to the phone. You're gonna cough? That's pretty abnormal. I worry about you. That's what I record with. I do all my art on my phone. Unless I use a brush or a pen or a pick or a nail and I stab things with it. That's fine. If it's productive. Can you come back and say that again? I need to talk to you. Hi! Hello, friends. Let's do this again. Frig, man, eh? Oh, man, to live and die by the sword. To what extent is that? But to the one that you try to get in the end? Frig, what's the story of life? Did you have one? You know? So, what's queer about being queer, about being a quandary, about being a quack? Freud was a moron because he didn't like his mom, but he said it was everything to him that she was there. Fucking weird. The cocaine papers are the best ones ever. That guy was fucking high too, you know? Whack. Tool, you're right. Did you guys ever see... Oh, frig, man. Watch this. There's better grade than where you gotta go. And some guy said that one time. And it was the best. And I think we got ass crabs for it. Let's go win the World Series, guys. One for the keeper. Put it in the cooter pot and bunk a load. Let's score points. What? That's the American president in 20,000 years. I said that now, and I'm that good. No shit. It's not me laughing. It's the fact that I have a friend in my head Hello? Guess what? Some people do comply to live on. You never know who that may be. Baby? Baby, hello? Not really. Like, so, what is it about people dying and getting sucked through time? My eyeballs didn't focus for very long, did they? I don't think I'm looking hard enough. Oh, that was a good load. Is it off your shoulders? Um, I don't know what the fuck people are talking about or why they hate me, but I'm not really that bad of a person to really put up with the fact that I don't know what the fuck you're complaining about by not talking to me. And I got to go through life this smart, trying to get to the rest of the point of what you're just complaining about when you didn't even have the conversation with me or let me defend myself. That's a pretty big flaw. I see it. Do you? 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 You?